I, Jackson Mogusu Mujumbe, do swear, solemnly affirm that I shall always, truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly Member of Nyamira County. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my function in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I shall at all times respect, uphold, preserve, protect and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I shall do the right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws of the conventions of Parliament. That I shall do justice to all. So help me God.
Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I sincerely start by thanking you for organizing this occasion for the administration of oath. I don't take it for granted that these honorable members found it necessary, responsible, and important to come and witness our swearing in. Honorable Speaker, we have come out from hotly contested by-elections. But to suffice it all, I want to recognize and commend the IEPC because they stood firm and ensured the will of the people is protected and delivered. Honorable members, it is not a normal situation that you can lose and win an election, it's being stolen, you go to court, and you go again to campaign, and the people of Nyasiongo felt that they must confirm I was their bona fide MCA. I sincerely thank the people of Nyasiongo and thank the people of Nyamira for confirming and affirming the confidence that I am really their MCA. In that regard, and cognizant to the fact of the role of an MCA, I want to affirm that I adhere to the Constitution, I will respect the opinion of the people of Nyasiongo, and I will ensure that I be part of the teamwork of this county assembly and add synergy to the processes of the county assembly. That is oversight and representation. I will never fall short of oversight because I've seen people struggling because of slow or no implementation of projects. I wish to assure the people of Nyamira, the cry outside there is so loud. And we are going to use all the mechanisms available constitutionally to make sure that Nyamira is functional. Nyamira must be functional and the people must receive their due share in matters development, in matters service delivery, and in matters making laws. I wish to emphasize that the role of MCAs and their functions, they are so fabricated and protected within the law. If we stick to that, we will not be complaining of anything. There is clear separation of powers, powers of the executive, powers of the county assembly, and let nobody assume any role of another person. And that is going to be our duty and our mandate. For us to succeed in that endeavor, honorable members, unity of purpose is the only key in succeeding to make sure that service delivery is realized. This house needs a lot of respect, and we can only earn respect by doing our roles properly. We support our honorable speaker, we support the county assembly staff, we support the entire public service of Nyamira. Speaker, allow me to appreciate. I witnessed very recently a very strong case. Honestly, I also felt that that case could have been prosecuted. I want to associate myself with the case and say this, or is not lost, or is not lost. We are here with a clear mind. We are here with a mandate from the people. I will not be a puppet of anybody. That one should get out clear now, and know that I'll be a team player for those who stand for justice, for the people of Nyamira, and the God. Thank you.
Thank you, the Honorable Jackson Mogusu. Order. Proceed to your seats.